Hello guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to Book Ideas, where we tell you interesting ideas from interesting books. So why do you get paid? Now before you answer that, or before you think about why am I asking you this question, today's ideas is called Key Performance Areas, and this idea is what we are taking from the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. This is by far one of the most practical productivity books that I have read. It's amazing. If you want to improve your productivity, if you want to get over procrastination, then click the link in the description to get this book. With that said, let's begin, okay? Brian Tracy starts off with a question. Why am I on a payroll? Why am I getting paid? Now, according to him, most people don't know why. Now, why is this important? It's important because if you understand this question, then there's a way where you can get good at your job, where you can give more value to your company and get paid more. If you do your job better, you get paid more, right? But how do you go about this? So first thing he says is that most people don't understand why they are getting paid. It's important because if you know why you're getting paid, then you know what you can improve. For example, in most companies, let's say I work as a digital marketer for a company. My goal is to bring them results digitally. Now maybe that's not specialized enough. Maybe let's go a little bit deeper. I need to make sure that I put out content every day, valuable content on their social media and stuff. I need to make sure their SEO is up to date. I need to put out articles. I need to put out some Instagram or Facebook posts. Now this could be my key result areas. That is the result that I'm bringing to the company. Similarly, we all have results that we are paid to get for a company. So what is that? Is what you need to sit down and really write down. What are some few things that you are getting paid to do? Now, if you still don't get the concept of key result areas are the areas for which you are solely responsible in that company. Like nobody else will do it. You are the one who are hired to do it. So that is key result areas. The next step comes to improvement. Now, how do you improve once you have this clarity on what you are getting paid to do? Now, here's what will happen, okay? Now, before I come to that, one thing that will happen is you will begin to realize that you might not be good in some of those areas, or you might be good in it. The point is to get good. And here's your biggest purpose why you need to get good at it. Sure, you get paid high and all that, but one thing is this. If you are not good, according to Brian Tracy, what he has seen in people is that if they're not kind of good at something, they are more likely to procrastinate on it. Because it just doesn't feel good. When you're not good at something, trying to do it at the moment will not feel good. Maybe in long term you'll get good, yes, and all that, but at the moment, no. But he has also seen that when people are good at doing something, they are less likely to procrastinate. They're more likely to go in and get it done. So this is why you really need to focus on improving. Now, how do you improve? Now, once you have that key result areas, here's what you need to ask. What is one skill, if I developed and did it in an excellent fashion, would have the greatest positive impact on my career? Okay, let me ask you the question again. What one skill, if I developed and did it in an excellent fashion, would have the greatest positive impact on my career? Now, what is this? So, what he is telling is, what is that one skill that you could have, that you could improve, that could improve your career? Start with one skill, right? Now, this is not one key result area, it's one skill. Pick one skill that could improve all your other key result areas. Now, here's what you need to understand. Skill doesn't always mean hard skill. For example, let's say you want to market a product, right? I'm picking digital marketing examples because that is something that I'm familiar with. So, let's say you want to promote a product, right? You need to understand how to put out ads. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. So, you need to understand, how do I put out ad? How do I improve the creative? How do I improve the write-up and all that? That's a hard skill. That will help you promote your products in a lot better way, lot quicker way, lot more efficient way. Now, there are other skills which are called as soft skills. If you can make more persuasive arguments, now if you can speak to your people in a way where they feel respected, they feel good about it, or something like that, that could improve your job. Maybe your job, if you're good at presenting ideas, if you're good at communicating, if you're good at getting people to come to their own conclusion instead of you telling them what it is, that could also help in your job. So it could be soft skills or it could be hard skills. Okay, it could be any of it. So don't limit yourself to hard skill. Now how do you find it out? One thing is, ask yourself. You'll kind of know what that is. But don't rely only on that. Go to your boss, ask them what it is. Go to your friends, ask them what it is. Go to your colleagues, ask them what it is. Look at people who are good at the job that you are doing and ask them what it is. Now you'll get a couple of answers. Sit down, pick that skill and start working on it. Start working on it consistently. Set goals, set timelines and start working on it. Now as you get good, as that improves, you can move on to another skill that will improve your career. Now as you keep doing this, as you keep getting better at your job, you will more likely get paid higher. You might get better offers and you'll be a lot more valued as an employee of a company. So that was the idea, guys. With that said, if you want us to pick ideas from the books that you like, then you can drop in the comments below which book would you recommend for us to pick out ideas from. Other than that, if you felt like you learned something that you could apply, if you can see yourself applying this, then leave a like, hit that subscribe button because we have a lot more amazing content like this coming up. And thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.